What do manufacturing managers look for when deciding to hire cobots? Let's take a look. Firstly, cobots are easy to utilize. A new cobot can start working in just 4 hours after unpacking. That's enough time for assembly, tool installation, configuration, and programming, which makes it super cost-effective and user-friendly. Another key feature from the standpoint of production departments is the simple visual programming and local control features of the robot, which allow it to be programmed without any knowledge of advanced programming languages. Thanks to the fast reprogramming, the Assister Cobot can complete a new task in just an hour. And if there are no people around, it will work ultra-efficiently at full speed. Unquestionably, the greatest advantage of all robots, also cobots, is their accuracy and repeatability. By leveraging these features whilst collaborating with humans, we achieve instant quality improvement. Subscribe to our channel. You will see how to robotize large, medium, and small enterprises. Contact us. We offer top quality robots and a comprehensive service.